Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix JBL Xtreme 2 not charging. If your JBL Xtreme 2 not charging, there are some troubleshooting steps that you can follow. First of all, you have to check the power outlet. For that you have to ensure the outlet or power source is working by plugging in another device. After that you have to inspect the charger and the cable. Look for any visible damage to the charging cable or adapter, or try using a different compatible charger and cable if available. Then you have to clean the charging port. Dust or debris in the charging port can prevent proper connection. Use a can of compressed air or soft brush to clean the port gently. Then you have to check for overheating. Ensure the speaker is not too hot. Let it cool down before attempting to charge it again. If this method not working for you, then you have to just perform a reset. For that you have to turn off the speaker. Then you have to press and hold the volume plus and play button simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the speaker power off. Then you have to turn the speaker back on and try charging again, and hopefully after reset your speaker will be working fine. Hopefully this video help you to fix the JBL Xtreme to not charging. Thanks for watching.